Hello people, good morning. So today we are going on with lesson 8. Okay, we're going to see one new content. Tomorrow we'll see another new content plus a dictation. Okay, and the last lesson of the week on Thursday we'll have a live lesson. Okay, so we can correct some exercises that I will ask you. Okay, and if you have any doubts, we can also clear that. Okay, so let's start on page 78. Please open your books and let's repeat. Clear, clearly, ignorance, to ignore, to be ignorant, to embarrass, embarrassment, a nativity, to guide, frankincense, a Bible, holy, myrrh, to combat, sky, a candle, an ark, Judaism, Jewish, a Jew, a combat. Okay guys, let's go back then. Clear. Clear guys is an adjective. Okay, it can mean actually more than that, but let's go with the most common. Okay, so clear means free from dirt or contamination. Okay, so the area is clear, it has been cleaned. Okay, or for example, a room without furniture. Okay, a room with no chairs, nothing inside. It's a clear room. Okay, it can also mean transparent, or when something is easily understood. Clear. That's why I ask clear sometimes to you. Is it understood? Is it clear? Okay? Clearly is the adverb from this adjective. Okay? So, the words ignorance, to ignore, to be ignorant, they are very similar to Portuguese. Okay? So, ignorance is the noun. Okay? It's the fact that people ignore things. To ignore people means to don't know. I don't know, I ignore. Okay, I don't know that information. I have not been informed. I ignore the information. Okay, to be ignorant can be somebody that doesn't know something. Okay, or like Portuguese, it can also mean to be rude. Okay? So, to embarrass is the verb, embarrassment is the noun. To embarrass, guys, means to make a person feel ashamed. Okay? And embarrassment is a synonym for shame. Okay? Okay. Nativity. Nativity, guys, is the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay? Christmas, nativity. To guide is a verb. It's similar to Portuguese, not quite the same. But to guide means to show the way. Okay? To go, to lead a group, to show the way to a group. Frankincense is an aromatic resin that we make incense from. Okay? So the base of the incense is the frankincense. Okay? A Bible. A Bible is a sacred book. Sacred means everything that is related to God, to saints. Okay? Sacred. So the Bible is the sacred book of the Christians, okay, people who are Catholics. holy can also be a synonym for sacred. But it's not only related to saints, but holy means that something is morally or spiritually correct, perfect, okay? Something that is morally and spiritually perfect. It also means sacred, or means also belonging to God or empowered by God, okay? Related to God. Okay, myrrh. Myrrh, people, is also a resin, and it's similar to frankincense. It's also something that we use to make incense, okay? So, sky, to combat. To combat is just like Portuguese, okay? To combat is the verb. A combat is the noun. Combat is on the last column. A combat, the noun. Okay, sky is part of the atmosphere. When we are outside, we look up, we see the sky, okay? A candle is a block of wax that has a little thing inside that we burn, okay? We use candles when there is no electricity, okay? So a candle is a block of wax, okay? And wax is something that also women use to remove the hair from their bodies, okay? They use wax, okay? So a candle is a block of wax that we use to produce light. An ark, people, is a big ship, okay? It's an archaic, an old word, but it's very famous because it's on the Bible, okay? There is a story about Noah. Noah built an ark because a very heavy rain was coming, so he built an ark and put one male and one female of each animal into the ark, okay, so he could, this species could reproduce later, okay, when the heavy rain stopped. Okay, an ark is also a word for a box or a chest, okay? Okay, Judaism is the religion, Jewish is the adjective, and a Jew is a person that follow the religion Judaism, okay? So again, Judaism is the religion, Jewish is the adjective, the quality of people who are Jew, okay? A Jew is a person, okay? And Jewish is when we use it as an adjective, okay? So, just to go back a little bit, when nativity happened, so when Jesus Christ was born, there is a story that tells about 3 kings that brought presents to Jesus, okay? So, each one brought one present. One king brought frankincense, the other king brought myrrh, and the other king brought gold. Okay, so we have 2 of the presents here, frankincense and myrrh, and the third king brought gold as a present for nativity, for the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, guys? So, let's repeat. Okay, just like before, I will leave some seconds for you to repeat the sentence, okay? And that's it. He was clearly embarrassed because of his ignorance about Judaism. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh were the 3 presents given to Jesus according to the Christian Bible. Candles are important in many religions, especially for Jews. there was a clear sky on the night of the nativity show. Both Jews and Christians believe in the story of Noah and his ark from the Holy Bible. Very nice, guys. So, in the let's practice part, I will read both question and answer. But I will leave 1 or 2 seconds so you pause the video and you answer it before I do. Cool? Let's move. Are there many negative consequences as a result of ignorance in society? Yes, there are many negative consequences as a result of ignorance in society. What can society do to combat religious ignorance? Society can be a guide and teach people about the difference between religions to combat religious ignorance. Are candles commonly found in holy buildings? Yes, candles are commonly found in holy buildings. What were the 3 presents given to Jesus at the Nativity? The 3 presents given to Jesus at the Nativity were gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Why do people find it difficult to speak English in public when they are learning? People find it difficult to speak English when they are learning because they feel embarrassed. What color is the sky now? The sky is blue now. The sky is clear now. No clouds. The sky is clear. Okay? Is there a lot of embarrassment felt by students when they make mistakes? Yes, there is a lot of embarrassment felt by students when they make mistakes. Why do people use candles in their bedrooms? People use candles in their bedrooms because of the perfume, for religious reasons, or because they think it's romantic. Give me an example of a religious group which has suffered because of ignorance in society. An example of a religious group which has suffered because of ignorance in society are Jews. What is the name of the 7th most popular religion in the world? The 7th most popular religion in the world is Judaism. Would you feel embarrassed if you fell over in the street? Yes, I would feel embarrassed if I fell over in the street. Who in the Bible built a big ark? Noah built a big ark in the Bible. Very good. So, guys, tomorrow we will finish lesson 8, okay? And we will do dictation number 7, okay? Our lesson on Thursday will be a live lesson. In the live lesson, people, we will practice, okay, like we do in the revision, okay? I will make questions from the book and I will ask you to have your books closed, okay? So we can practice like we were when we have presential lessons, okay? So that's it for today. So tomorrow we will finish lesson 8, we'll do dictation 7, and we will do on Thursday a big revision from lesson 8. So you start studying now, today, okay? Lesson 8, complete all lesson 8. Okay, guys? So, thank you very much and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.